Acids, bases, and salts. 118 different chemical elements are known to us at present. These elements combine to form a large number of compounds. On the basis of their chemical properties, all the compounds can be classified into three groups: acid, bases, and salts. Acids. If we cut a lemon with a knife and taste it, the lemon appears to have a sour taste. The sour taste of lemon is due to the presence of an acid in it. The acid present in lemon, which gives it a sour taste, is a citric acid. Thus, acids are those chemical substances which have a sour taste. The substances that taste sour are called acid and their nature is acidic. The term acid is derived from a Latin word acere, which means sour. Some examples of acetic acid are curd containing lactic acid, lemon juice containing citric acid, and vinegar containing acetic acid. Properties of acids. Acids have a sour taste. Acids turn blue litmus to red. Acid solutions conduct electricity. Acids react with metals to form hydrogen gas. Acids react with metal carbonates to form carbon dioxide gas. Acids react with bases to form salt and water. Base. Bases are those chemical substances which have a bitter taste and soapy and slippery to touch. Bases change the red litmus to blue color. Some examples of bases are baking soda containing sodium hydrogen carbonate, milk of magnesia, soaps, lime water containing calcium hydroxide. Bases and alkalis. Most of the bases do not dissolve in water, but some bases dissolve in water. Those bases which dissolve in water, they are called as alkalis. Thus, a base which is soluble in water is called an alkali. For example, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. They are soapy to touch. Bases turn red litmus blue. It gives hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. Bases give pink color with phenolphthalein indicator. Some bases like NaOH absorbs carbon dioxide gas. Bases react with acids to form salt and water. This is the list of various substances in which different types of acids and bases are found. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Formic acid is found in ant sting. Citric acid in citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. Lactic acid in curd. Oxalic acid in spinach. Ascorbic acid in amla and all citrus fruits. Tartaric acid in tamarind, grapes. Now we find calcium hydroxide in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide in window cleaner. Sodium or potassium hydroxide in soap. Magnesium hydroxide in milk of magnesia. Indicators. We cannot taste every object and find its nature. Therefore, we use indicators. An indicator is a substance that can determine if another substance is acidic or basic in nature. The indicators indicate the presence of an acid or base in a substance by changing their color. For example, turmeric, China rose petals, and litmus are some of the natural indicators. Litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator which is obtained from lichens. Litmus is available in a solution form and paper strips. Red litmus and blue litmus paper. Acids turn blue litmus paper red in color, and bases turn red litmus paper to blue color. Turmeric as an indicator. To use turmeric as an indicator, it is generally mixed with water to form a paste which is then put on blotting paper and dried to form thin strips of turmeric paper. The turmeric paper is then put into the solutions in order to determine their acidity or alkaline nature. Turmeric is a natural acid-base indicator. It helps us to identify the nature of any given substance by itself undergoing a color change. It turns yellow in acidic medium and changes its color to red in basic medium. China rose as an indicator. Soak some petals of China rose in warm water for a couple of hours. The red color solution is used as an indicator for detecting an acid or a base solution. It turns magenta in acidic medium and green in basic medium. It is also a natural indicator. Thank you.